Okay, so for my first video, I wanted to talk about why I got back into the fish keeping hobby and why my time in the hobby is different this time around. I've been keeping fish on and off for about 23 years now, with a large break in the middle. Because during high school, the bottom of one of my tanks broke. I was devastated after I lost fish I'd been keeping for over a year. After that, I needed a break from keeping fish for a while. Then life got in the way, and never thought about keeping them again. Fast forward 10 years later to the fall of 2019, got a college degree and a job, which brings me to the first reason I got back into the hobby. Keeping fish is not cheap, as I'm sure we all know, and because I had no steady income until recently, I never thought about owning another tank. But now that I had a job, I started looking at tanks and kits online, which led me to Amazon, Petco, and PetSmart. When I saw PetSmart, I had a 20-gallon kit on sale for 60 bucks, with a heater, filter, lid, and thermometer, and I was like, welp, guess I'm keeping fish again. I purchased the kit, my gravel, and a couple plants, some food, and went home to set it all up. It had been a while since I owned a tank, so I wanted to brush up on keeping fish and starting one. The manager from PetSmart asked me if I wanted any quick start, to which I said, what's that? I just normally use fish food to start the tanks and wait. It's been 10 years, I thought maybe things had changed, which led me to Googling aquariums and how to cycle them. I landed on the Aquarium Co-op channel and I've been hooked ever since. Corey and the co-op bombarded me with so much knowledge and opened my eyes to so many new fish that I didn't even know about. Up until this point in my life, the only fish I kept were goldfish, Cerbere tetra, and Cory cats. After a few weeks of watching videos, I managed to finally catch Corey on a live stream, and he mentioned that after him was KG Tropicals, so I decided to stick around and watch them. I was greeted by two of the nicest people in John and Lisa, and again had my mind blown wide open to a whole new world of fish. I'd never heard of an African cichlid before, so finding their channel only got me more interested in keeping more fish. Skip ahead a month and I had a Friday off from work, so I finally got to watch a river life stream following KG Tropicals. Once again, I was greeted by a wonderfully nice person who brought his own spin to the fish keeping hobby. I would have never thought to have kept fish in a summer tub before, and now he's even got me hooked on art. From his channel, I was introduced to so many more wonderful fish tubers. In other words, this community is the one main reason my passion for fish keeping has grown so fast and so quick. I've gone from one tank to now 13, each tank with its own style, from community to beta sorority to a guppy and rasbora breeding project. The possibilities to me are endless right now. I want to share them all with you, the fish keeping community that's made me so passionate about keeping fish again. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Also, constructive feedback is always welcome. Before I go, I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone who encouraged me to start making videos, especially the Zen Ginger, River Life, Fisherman Fever, and Chattanooga Ad. I'll link all the channels mentioned in this video down below, so please go show them some love if you don't already. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time.